Ay, umakyat na.
What are the stars that shine dark in the sky? I know this love of mine will never die, and I love her. Mapengi ako, mapengi ako. Yes, happy New Year's, all of you. Yon! Egg! Carmen! Pas Carmen! Yan. Thank you. Beatleman niya tayo, Beatleman niya. We're singing then all night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life. You were only waiting for this moment to rise. Blackbirds singing in the dead of night. Think it's something nice to see. Nakalimutan. All your life, you were only waiting for this moment to be free. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly, into the light of the dark night. Paano ba ito? Blackbird fly, blackbird fly, into the light of the dark night. Ano ba yan? Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life, you were only waiting for this moment to arise. You were only waiting for this moment to arise. You were only waiting for this moment to arise. Beatles yun eh, paano mo nalaman?
Alam niyo ba yung tattoo ko?
Sampalin kita dyan eh. Can't buy me love, love, can't buy me love. I'll buy you diamond ring, my friend, if that makes you feel alright. I get you anything, my friend, if it makes you feel alright. 'Cause I don't care too much for money, money can't buy me love. I give you what I got to give if you want to stay low. I may not have a lot to give, but the one that I'll give you. I don't care too much for money, money can't buy me love, can't buy me love, love, can't buy me love, no, 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 no. Say you don't want diamond ring and I'll be satisfied. Tell me that you want nothing that money just can't buy. I don't care too much for money, money can't buy me love. Kalimutan ko na to ah. Balbong, ano na? Can't buy me love. Everybody tell me so. Can't buy me love. Nakamiss din ng Beatles, ano? Ito. Mamaya. Ang dami nakalagay eh. Yan. Sige, tirahin natin yan. He roller coaster, he got early warning, he got morning water, he want mojo filter, he said one and one is three. Got to be a good looking kid to see, come together right now. Over me. Ano na yung lumot? Brother! Papa! Aking Papa Jive, Papa Jive. Sanayin na natin ito isa. Request ni
Kaya ka naman ang alam namin.
alam niyo yan.
Zero?
Tangi, ilan na yan eh. Hala. Gotta get driven, but taking the easy way out. So
Start mo kasi. Nantay ka na dito, Jay, oh. Saan ang inumin ko? Wala.
Ayan, pinuha niya ito. Practice makes perfect. Nasaan mo?
Practice makes perfect.
Dito Martin, nasa lang ngayon, ah.
Siyempre.
Hanggang umaga uminom eh.
May red wine was?
You don't know how much I
Pati
need.
kayo, no?
Ay, sa loob.
Listen, I'm ano? Do you want to know a secret? J-Man! Buddy! Ay! Melody! Oh, closer. Let me whisper in your ear. Say the words you love to hear. I'm in love with you.
Yeah.
Listen. Do you wanna know a secret? Do you promise not to tell? Whoa, whoa, closer. Let me whisper in your ear. Say the words you love to hear. I'm in love with you.
Okay, okay.
I'm not a teacher, but we got to. Nobody knows what we
Saan ka, tubig?
do. You wanna know a secret? Do you promise not to tell?
Ayun ba rin baka ako?
Whoa, whoa, closer.
Pero hindi ka kasi.
Let me whisper in your ear.
Okay.
Hindi na ako nakatulog.
Say the words I love to hear. I'm in love with you. Meron dito ano na eh.
Nag-umalis din to eh. Birthday ni Sandy. Mawas na rin umuwi eh.
Ako siya nakauwi, tol.
4,
Saan ka na umuwi?
3.
Oh, ganun daw. Yan ka.
Nagpasport na ako nakatulog.
Ooh, I need your loving. Guess you know it's true. Hope you need my loving, just like I need you. Oh, hold me, love me, hold me, love me. I ain't got nothing but loving. 8 days a week. Love you every day, girl. Always on my mind. Won't
days a week.
Lahat yan, lahat yan. Pam! Kas! Musta? Happy New Year! Ganda yan.
19 so reserve.
Look at all the lonely people. Look at all the lonely people. And they're big feet. Pick up the rides in the church where the wedding has been. Lives in the tree, wait at the window, wearing the faith that it gives in a jar by the door. Who is it for? All the lonely people. Where do they all come from? All the lonely people. Where do they all belong? Father Mackenzie, writing the words of eternity when the few Lord come here, the hands working, lighting the stars in the night when we go by. What does he care? All the lonely people. Where do they all come from? What can you lagay? All the lonely people. Where do they all belong?
Sakto eh.
Look at all the lonely people. Lordzie! Look at all the lonely people. Hello. And the big feet, not in the church, but you buried along by your name. Nobody came, Father Mackenzie, wiping the dirt from the sand as he walks from the grave. No one was saved, all the lonely people. Where do they all come from? All the lonely people. Where do they all belong? Si Sandro, patulog kayo. Kaya maganda yun.
Patulog kayo.
Your day breaks, your mind aches, you find out all the words of kindness in your mood. When she don't walk on the beach, she wakes up, she makes up, she takes the time and doesn't feel she has to hurry. She no longer needs you, and in her eyes you see nothing, no sign of love behind the tears, right to no one, a love that should have lasted years. You love her, you need her, and yet you don't believe her when she says her love is there, you think she needs you. Okay pa? And in her eyes you see nothing, no sign of love behind the tears, but no one,
Water mo.
a love that should have lasted years. You stay home, she goes out, she says that long ago she knew someone, but now it's gone, she doesn't need him. Your day breaks, your mind aches, there will be time to know this. She said will figure out, you won't forget her. And in their eyes you see nothing, the sign of love behind the tears, right below. A love that should have lasted years. Alam mo, yung mga kanta ng Beatles, simple lang pero ang sarap pakinggan.
Yung ano, mga lang, one syllable na gagawa.
Iba.
Iba, no?
Iba.
Iba.
Kaya. Ano ba yan? Parang,
Kaya pala sabi niya, gaganda ng tugtog niya sa kapanahonan kasi ni.
is there anybody going to listen to my story? leave her, she will turn to me and start crying. And she promises the earth to me, and I believe her. After all this time, I don't know why. Oh, girl, she's the kind of girl who puts you down when so there you feel a fool. When you say she's looking good, she acts out, sits on the street, she's cool, cool, Doesn't mean we'll leave you pleasure, didn't she? That a man must break his back to understand your leisure. Will she still believe it when he's there? Oh, girl,
Ang kulit. Hindi lang pwede sa picture eh.
Nayanam, MJ, Daddy, Happy New Year, Daddy, Wawi. Yeah. Oh, girl, yun lang alam mo, shit. Alam mo to? Nakalimutan ko na to eh.
Practice makes perfect.
Mabilis to, mabilis.
Di ba yung sura yan?
I was alone and took a ride, didn't know where to ride. Hey! Another road, maybe I could see another guy. There, ooh, then I suddenly see you. Did I tell you I need you every single day of my life?
Sino ba kanta niyan?
You didn't run, you didn't lie, you know I want to hold you. And now you're gone, you did not with me, told you. Ooh, you weren't meant to be near me, ooh. And I want you to hear me say we'll be together every day. Got to get you into my life. Gulat ako dun ah.
Eh, namala.
What can I do? What can I be when I'm laying down? If I were you, I'd never leave you, baby. Ooh, then I suddenly see you. Ooh, then I tell you I need you every single day of my life. Got to get you into my life, my life.
Ate, yung pala, yung...
Got to get you into my life.
Hindi pala sila. Or hindi pala, or hindi yung parlor, no? Sila pala yan. That's why I think that's...
I was alone at your night. I didn't know what I would find there. I never know, maybe I could see another kind of mind there. And suddenly I feel, did I tell you I need you? Ang taas ang hayop.
Maluwan.
Nagulat ako eh.
Hi.
Tayo Jiboy oh. Daddy. to lead a better life. I need my love to be here, making each day of the year, changing my life with a wave of a hand. Nobody can deny that there's something there, running my hand through her hair. All of us thinking how good it can be. Someone is speaking, but she doesn't know he's there. I want her everywhere, and if she's beside me, I know I will never care. But to love her is to need her everywhere, knowing the love is to share. Each one believing the love never dies, watching her eyes and knowing I'm always there. I need her everywhere, and if she's beside me, I know I will never care. But to love her is to need her everywhere, knowing the love is to share. Each one believing the love never dies, watching her eyes and hoping I'm always there, and be there and everywhere, be there and everywhere. Ikaw, tol. Buray natin iba dyan.
Tol, tuloy-tuloy mo lang.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year, sis! Apa nama tu? Tama. Baby, good to me, you know she happy as can be, you know she said so. I'm in love with her and I feel fine. Baby, 69, you know she tells me all the time, you know she said so. I'm in love with her and I feel fine. I'm so glad that she's my little girl. She's so glad she's standing all alone. That the baby buys it, you know, he buys a diamond ring, you know she said so. She's in love with me and I feel fine. Ayaw rin.
Practice makes perfect.
Sana ka na, tol. Ayan, ipapel ulit. Ipapel, ayaw na. If I fell in love with you, would you promise to be true? And never, never the natures.
Kaya pala sumega.
Kaya,
May masabog ko.
if I fell in love with you, would you promise to be true? And help me understand. 'Cause I've been in love before, and I found that love was more than just holding hands. If I give my heart to you, I must be sure from the very start that you are I trust in you. If I trust in you, oh please, don't run and hide. If I love you too, oh please, don't run like her, 'cause I couldn't stand the pain, and I would be sad if our love was in vain. So I hope you see that I love you.
Next. Tol.
'Cause I couldn't stop the pain, and Ano naman? Hindi, para maano natin yung may request kasi.
Yun na. Ano mo na yung request?
Hindi ko nga makita eh. One day you look to see I'm gone, for tomorrow will wait, so I'll follow the sun. Someday you know I was the one, but tomorrow will wait, so I'll follow the sun. And now the time is gone, and so my love I must go. And though I lose a friend, in the end you will know. Oh, one day you'll find that I have gone, but tomorrow will wait, so I'll follow the sun. Tapos na yun? Ang bilis naman nun. Ang bilis nga eh. Yet tomorrow will wait, so I'll follow the sun. And now the time is gone, and so my love I must go. And though I lose a friend, in the end you should know. Oh, one day you'll find that I am gone, but tomorrow will wait, so I'll follow the sun. Ganda ng mga kanta ng Beatles. Gary Guarino, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in my life. Ano yan?
Yeah, Tol.
There were places I remember all my life. Those songs have changed, so forever, not for better. Some are gone, and some remain. All these places have their moments with lovers and friends. I think I'll be gone, so dead and someone living in my life. I love them all. All these friends and lovers, there is no one compares with you, and his memories lose the meaning when I think of love. There's something new, though I know I'll never lose affection for people and things that went before. I know I won't stop and think about them. In my life, I love you more. Next. Asa man? Ang dami pa niya, no?
Tol. Hindi man. Happy New Year. Mag-Happy New Year si George.
Gago yun, sa'yo na yun. 1, 2, 3,
Happy New Year. yeah.
When she was just 17, you know what I mean. And the way she looked, way beyond compare.
Kinakanta ko to sa Japan.
How could I dance with another? Oh, I saw her standing there. Why she look at me, and I could see that before too long I fall in love with her. She wouldn't dance with another. Oh, I saw her standing there. Well, my heart went boom when I crossed that room, and I held her hand in my heat. Oh, we danced to the night, and we held each other tight, and before too long I fell in love with her. Now I never dance with another. Oh, when I saw her standing there.
Yan na. Pahinga na yan. Huwag na yan. Ay, lobat na ako ah. Judy! Hi, Judy. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Ilang battery ako na lang? 5%. Alam mo yan?
He won't be long, yeah. He won't be long, yeah, yeah, yeah. He won't be long, yeah. I belong to you. Every time and then I respond.
Nakalimutan ko na.
Feeling all alone. He won't be long, yeah. He won't be long, yeah.
Nakalimutan ko na. Nakalimutan ko na yan. Tataas? Ayoko nang mataas.
Oh, that is something I wanna hold your hand.
Patay tayo dyan. Yan, JC! Paborito ko pa ng bata mo eh.
Love, love me you. You know I love you. I always be true. So please, love me too. Oh, love me too. Love, love me you. You know I love you. I always be true. So please, love me too. Oh, love me too. Someone to love, somebody new. Someone to love, someone like you. Love, love me too. You know I love you. I always be true. So please, love me too. Oh, love me too.
Next. Ito maganda to. Si Michelle.
Sino yan?
Michelle, my love, there's a word spoken together well. My Michelle, Michelle. until I find a way. I will say the only words I know that you'll understand. Michelle, my bell, sole motivo del piano son. I need you, I need you, I need you. I need to make you see, oh, what you mean to me. Until I do, I'm hoping you show you what I need. I love you. I want you, I want you.
Parang kinata na namin kanina yan, T. Yan na. Asa na si Alan? Alan, this is for you.
Forever! Wow! Yan na.
Lobat na pati, lobat.
Taas yun eh. Yan na.
Now, while we're here alone, wait, next.
Ay,
And all is said and done, now I can let you know, because upon you shone, I've grown enough to tell you, you'll always be inside of me. How many roads have gone by, so many words left unspoken. I needed to be by your side, if only to hold you forever in my heart. Forever will be, and even when I'm gone, you'll be here with me forever. Once I dream that you're gone, I try to find you, beg you to fade away and please awaken me. But I took a hold of my heart and left me with no one to follow. To love that I lost in the dark, I always remember. Forever in my heart, forever you will be. Know that when I'm gone, you've been near to me. Forever in my life, always gonna be. I'll be yours.
Sigaw kaya to.
Ayun na, ayun na. Ayun na, babayaran yan.
Forever favorite song, Forever. Ayun, buti umabot yung baterya ko, Alan. Oh, 1% Puro forever yan. Cancel mo na yan. Cancel mo na yan.
Forever ka na.
Oh, maglagay na kayo ng kanta. Ano ka naman? Forever ulit. Yung ano? Forever.
Ayaw.
Thank you, bro. At tayo makancel. Tingin nga, bro.
Start. Cancel.
Ah, yun naman pala eh. Ilang percent na lang ako?
Wala na.
Oo nga, 1% na lang talaga.
Uy,
Yeah.
patay na.
Forever. Bong, bong. Tol, tingin mo ibang ano? Kenny Loggins yung ano?
Wala charge yun. Wala na ma-charge din.
Yung ano? Tol,
Kenny.
yung...
Danny Song.
Hindi, Kenny Loggins.
Yeah. Footloose.
Hindi. Yung...
For the first.
Yan, for the first time. Brother, pag-aralan mo to. Alan, pag-aralan mo to. Antiya ba? Happy New Year!
Meet me halfway.
Hindi, yung ano, yung... Wag yun, ayoko yung Meet Me Happy. Hindi ko nakanta yan. Yan, for the first time. Pag-aralan mo to. Close your eyes. Is that your smile? I've been looking at you forever, but I never saw you before. I reach your hands, holding mine. Now I wonder how I could have been so blind. For the first time, I've been looking in your eyes. For the first time, I've seen who you are. I can't believe how much I see when you're looking back at me. Now I understand what love is. Love is. For the first time. Can this be real? Can this be true? I'm the person I want this morning. You saving you, it's so strange. How can you? All along this love is right in front of me. For the first time, I am looking in your eyes. For the first time, I've seen who you are. I can't When you're looking back at me, now I understand what love is. Love is for the first time. Such a long time ago, I had given up on fighting this emotion ever again. But you're here with me now. Yes, I found you somehow, and I've never been so sure.
Ito, tinaas pa, kinambyo pa.
And for the first time, I'm looking in your eyes. For the first time, I'm seeing who you are. I can't believe how much I see when you're looking back at me. Now I understand what love is. Love is
Oh, ba't dalawang helmet mo?
for the first
Sa
time.
kotse? Nasa loob? Nasa loob?
Sing a song. That's Kel Ryan for the first time.
Wala na, umuwi na sila.
Uwi na. Ang kaba nila uwi.
For the first time.
Walang gis lang.
Oh, ikaw naman, brother. Ikaw naman. Yung ano, yung paborito mo. Aking pamangkin. Wag yan. Tapos na yan.
Sila doon lang.
Baka ulitin na naman
Sa taas na sila.
Ano yung the attraction? Kaya yan?
Hindi. Wala pa ako.
Di ba yung cover? Vivo! Wakubo ng mundo!
Yan. Naka-charge ka lang to, la.
Meet me halfway. Alam mo, ganda rin yung mga kanta ni ano eh. Si Dan Hill. Dan Hill tayo, Dan Hill.
Gano'n mo na.
Mapingin ako. Uminit.
Grabe ka naman. Grabe naman sa ito. Bakit ka na? Eh, Gab, kumain ka na ba? Kumain ka na? Saan kumain?
Naka-studio po. Ang dami pong gito ng pagkain doon.
Oh.
Yes.
Ayan, Dan Hill.
Yan, Never Thought. Tsaka, I fall all over muna. I fall all over again.
Okay.
Tapos yan, yung sunod-sunod na yan. Yan. Never Thought, tsaka Sometimes. Yan.
Sometimes.
Okay. Okay na yan. Kasi do it na yan eh. Can we try just a little bit? Can you give? Joen, Happy New Year! Di Ponggol. Saan ka? Oh? Mrs. oh.
Here.
Happy New Year.
Baka nakaano ah.
You asked me if I love you,
May boses.
and I choke on my reply. I'd rather hurt you honestly than lead you with a lie. And who am I to judge you for what you say or do? I'm only just beginning to see the real you. And sometimes when we touch, the honesty's too much, and I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die,
pare, Edge Russell. Ang aking Viva Hotman. Romancing all is right. This be battling with my pride. But through the insecurity, some tenderness survives. I'm just another rider, still dropping in my feet. Hesitant by spider, just drop within my youth. And sometimes when we touch, the honesty's too much, and I have to close my eyes. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear of me subsides. At times I like to break you and drive you to your knees. At times I like to break through and hold you and receive. At times I understand you, and I know how hard you try. I watch my love come at you, and I watch the past you by. At times I think we're drifters, just searching for a friend, a brother or a sister, but then the passion plays again. Whoa, and sometimes when we touch, the honesty's too much, and I have to close my eyes in high. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear of me subsides. Taas pala dapat. Fear of me subsides. Ito maganda to. Long time no see, Russell. Sa mga umiibig Tony. I can't believe we met like this. Is it just coincidence? I had a feeling I was here again.
Di pa nga eh. Di pa eh.
Never been as beautiful as the last time we met. When you told me you were leaving and going back to him, how I wish that I could tell you it's all in the past. That was never good in life, and baby, since you asked, I don't wanna hear that song again. From tonight we first met, I don't wanna hear you whispering things you're not forget. I don't wanna look into your eyes, 'cause you know what happens next. But we're making love, and then I fall over again. I can't begin to tell you just how sorry I am that the man you build your dreams around just broke your heart again. I think I know the feeling, 'cause I want of you so much that I swore I'd die to live a day without your touch. If I held you in my arms, you know I'd never let you go. I still dream of making love. Then I stop myself because I don't wanna hear this song again from tonight we first met. I don't wanna hear you whisper things you'll never forget. I don't wanna look into your eyes, 'cause you know what happens then. But for making love and then I fall over again. I fall over again.
Taas din.
Whew.
Ano yun naman?
Yan. Tsaka coke.
Ba?
Coke high.
Maratsyada ka.
Hindi naman ako. Ganun konting-kunti lang.
Ta. Alam mo to? Never thought that I could thought.
Can I touch you? I can't believe that you are real. How can I ever find you? You are the dream that saved my life. You are the reason I survive. Baby, I never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. I know it's crazy, but it's true.
Hindi naman.
I never thought that I could need someone as much as I need you. I love you.
Tagal na sir ah. Tagal na.
Can I hold you? Girl, your smile is always kind. You are too beautiful for a human eye. You are a dream that never dies. You are the fire that burns inside. Baby, I never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. I know it's crazy, but it's true. I never thought that I could need someone as much as I need you. You are the sunshine in the sky. You are the sparkle in my eyes. Whoa, I never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. I know it's crazy, but it's true. I never thought that I could need someone as much as I need you. I love you. Wish. Ayun.
Oh, next. O, ikaw naman.
Siguro po yun. Kaya mo yan.
Hello!
Ayaw ko na.
Go!
Ayaw tuloy kumanta.
Dali na. Hindi ka na, tagal ko na hindi naririnig yun eh.
Ano ba yung kanta na yun? Ano ba yung kanta na yun?
Yung ano, yung...
Ano yung kanta?
Ano nga yung kanta na yan? Ben and Ben yun eh. Ben and Ben.
Yes.
Tayo ba, bro?
Oh, susuno!
Ano ba sa'yo? Baka may request sila. Kayo muna. Baka may request kayo, ha?
Ah, may request pa daw, request. Ano request?
Ayoko, naka-live eh.
Ito.
Ito yung pogi kong pamangkin, oh. Ayan, oh.
O, kanta ka daw, kanta.
Ayun,
Ano, lagay ko na yung Gcash mo?
Yes.
Oh, yes! Ah, thank you, Alan. Di ba ang ako?
Ah, yun ba yun?
No!
Ah, yun pala yung kinakanta mo.
Kinakanta yan.
Hindi ko nga abot yun eh.
Oh! Parang inaantok lang eh.
Ayun, yun, 214 daw. 214, ha?
Pamatay. Oo, kala ko nag-sleep ka na.
214.
Ah,
Ang init, mother. Tol, paano naman yung bukas na may electric fan? Tayo dalawa ng aircon natin, nainitan pa rin ako. Taka naman.
Ikaw na lang hindi.
Pawis ako.
Gusto niyo sa
Oh, ayan o, hawakan mo. Oh.
kanina pa to si kuya mo.
Tayo mo, pawis o.
Baka fertile ka. Ganyan yung naging katawan pagka...
Sa lalaki?
Eh, oo. Sa babae, fertile naman pag ganyan. Mainit.
Hindi, hot blood lang. Ano eh. Oh, dala. Huwag ka dyan.
Yan.
Yan.
Nakakanta kasi. Shoes mo anak, masana. Where's your shoes?
Wala
Siya.
nanonood eh.
Siya.
Dali na, madami.
Siya, give me that. Walang shoes mo anak. Walang shoes mo. Walang shoes mo, baby.
Pamangkin ko naman.
Wala. Hindi ko mga kinukuha sa'yo, ha?
First I speak before you don't wait for you to see more in me. But if you look into my eyes, then you know
Babasahin naman.
I'm here to tell what things you feel. You can hear your precious sound as if you're on me. We can fit into the night, don't work it hard. And everything we like, still you won't cry. 'Cause I made
Sarap ng parang ni auntie, no? Masarap. Manim na pala siya.
Nag-artista rin sana yan eh, kaso ano eh. Nag-host siya ng ano, Pinko Plus. Lato! Lato! Hi, Pritchie! Mapingi ako. Bakit pa rin ang ano ko? Sipnik. Cause I may pass longer than it lasts. Oh, kanta ka naman, Marcos.
Marcos, so...
Oh, 1,000. Kanta ka, oh.
Dawasal daw, ha?
Sabay, sige. Ay, no, Charlie. Apuya. Makaluwag ng boses. Lakas makaluwag ng boses.
Kaya mo pala yan. Bro, malakas ka yung makaluwag ng boses. Mag-gargle ka na ng ano.
Oh, next.
What's name niya?
Sabi ko 1,000 eh. Ayaw ko magkaroon. Anak ko.
Oo, nga pala, may tumuha dito.
Sa lunes na pala.
Ano kanta? Giniginaw ka?
Sige lang.
Talaga?
Oo nga.
Totoo?
Si Dad.
Hindi. Gawin natin English. Really?
Oh, really?
Really?
Ano? Ano kanta?
Ano kanta? Auntie!
Auntie!
Ikaw, ano kanta mo?
Nakalive ka, Auntie. Si Auntie, wala yung panganta yan.
This is my auntie. My Aunt Linda.
Ano mga carpenters, hello?
You know, tawag ng tanghalan?
Hindi, never to big show.
Ano ang big show, auntie?
Never to big show, Naga City.
Never to big show. Naga City. Way back. Yan.
Carpenters
Aking
ba?
auntie. Wag yan, patayan niya, she's gonna yan.
Mga carpenters.
Sino ang mga kasabayan mo?
Matatanda ng mga kasabay ko niya.
Sa radyo yan.
Sa radyo.
Sa radyo.
Sa radyo, mga ano yun, mga drama talent.
Yung mga drama talent.
Nolito Mapa.
Dahil tumapa si Matutina.
Sa Manila yun, si Matutina.
Sa
Esther
Bino.
Chavez. Yeah.
Pero ang tiyan yung sinalihan mo dati.
Sa never to big show. Nagtawag ng tanghalan din ako, pero hindi ako nanalo sa Manila.
Ayan, nagtawag ng tanghalan din. Itong nanay ko naman, ayun, yung nanay ko.
Singer din.
Singer din yun. Yun. Yung na nagpapa, yung ano, pampalerang kuba.
Ano kanta?
Nakita ko.
Nagtawag ng tanghalan ka ba? And mother ko, nagtawag ng tanghalan din yan dati.
Pambabae yan.
Apo, the carpenters. Ano siya dito?
Pambabae.
Andun.
Apo, ano po dito? Auntie.
Auntie.
Are they will come?
All day will come.
Yes. Nakita ko kanina.
Ayun.
Ano yan? Ano bang kumanta niyan?
Yan. Carpenters yan. Yan.
My aunt. They will come.
sapatos, kailangan mo namin glasses.
Bukas na? Umaga ba? Umaga ka?
Ay, may jacket doon. Kaling jacket kay Maraya.
Akin. Okay, okay.
Mabag naman yan.
Ay, may jacket ako.
Saan po? Dito. Saan po?
Yan yung jacket ko.
Sa likod, sa likod, sa likod. Mother ko singer din. Lahat siya nagtawag ng tanghalan yan before. Wala na mga practice yun. Ay! Hindi nakapagpagasiyanti mamaya. Hindi na nakapagpagasiyanti.
Siya, where's your shoes? Nasaan yung shoes mo? Ay, naman mo. Bag mo.
Okay. Maganda siya.
Oo.
Nalingawan ko, nalingawan ko. Yeah, that's my aunt.
Ito yung ano eh, yung first lady ng San Pedro.
Di ba, auntie, tumira ka rin sa San Pedro?
San Pedro.
San Pedro sila eh, San Pedro.
Gusto lang yung sa akin. Yung sa bag ko. Sa bag ni Dormina, yung gray.
Hindi na tayo uwi. Kakanta lang tayo, alas 12 ng tanghali.
Our day will come.
Kasi tapos magkitot eh. Kitot.
Kitong-kito eh.
Alam
Uy,
mo ba?
nakalive ako.
Alam nila.
Chiquitita, chiquitito. Ay, lagay mo yung I Have a Dream.
Ano ba, ano sinong artist?
Hindi, ano na, title na lang.
I have a dream.
Yes, yes bro, congrats siya, congrats. Sige, sige, sige brother. Congrats. I dream a dream. I dream a dream.
I dream a dream.
Hindi mo alam yan?
Ayan, I dreamed a dream.
Ayan. Ay! Huwag niya ano, wala na iba?
Wala.
Susan Boyle? Sige, sige, pwede na yan.
Isang dream.
Sige bro, Happy New Year! I dream a dream in time gone by, when hope was high and
life worth living. I dreamed that love would never die. I dreamed that God would be born living. Then I was young and unafraid. When things were made and used and wasted, there was no ransom to be paid. No sun, song, no wine tasted. But the tigers with the voices of love as they keep your on, as they turn as you and people come to me.
Pambabae kasi.
And we will live our lives together. But there are dreams that cannot be, and there are storms we cannot weather. I had a dream my life would be so different from this that I'm living, so different now from what it seems. Now I must kill the dream. I dream.
Na pasikat lang kasi ni Susan Boyle. Yung kumanta sa American Got Talent. Pero ang kumanta niya, hindi naman siya original. Si